The final design of the Galaxy S9 has been leaked recently, and it isn't really what you were expecting from a Galaxy device. It definitely was a bit shocking to me, and will most likely shocking to you. So let's see what it is. If the recent leaks are to be believed, then Samsung decided to take a step backwards while designing the Galaxy S9. According to the leaked renders, the new Galaxy S9 will look like this. If you haven't noticed yet, they are literally bringing back the side bezels. Now that's just sad. But on a positive note, the wallpaper is kinda cool. But leaks are still leaks, no matter how reputed the source is. So there is a chance that the final design won't be like this, and we will be getting to see the Infinity display once again. Other than the design leaks, we're also gonna be seeing some major camera improvements. We might be seeing a variable aperture this time around, which varies from 2.4f to 1.5f, depending upon the situation. We'll also be seeing a super slow motion with 1080p slow motion videos at 480 fps. Just a reminder, the phone will still have a glass back design, so a case is very much recommended. And finally, we also know that the Galaxy S9 will be announced on 25th February, Sunday. Actually a day before the MWC 2018 kicks off. Well played, Samsung. So what do you think about the new leaked renders? Are you disappointed? Do let me know in the comment section below. And, just like always, do hit the like button if you found the video interesting, and do subscribe to see a lot more about tech. Thanks a lot for watching, and have an amazing day.